If you're a B2B SaaS founder running ads to a book a demo page or a free trial sign up, you are lighting money on fire. Because cold traffic has no idea who you are, what problem you actually solve, or why they should care about your platform. So they bounce. Or worse, they book a demo, waste your sales team's time, and never buy. And the simplest way to fix this is a video sales letter. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create one for your SaaS, step by step, so you can turn cold traffic into pre-sold, qualified buyers before they ever speak to your sales team. I am Ibrahim, co-founder of Advergent. We help B2B SaaS companies rebuild their growth engines for profitability and valuation with high-ticket funnels. And one of the most powerful tools we use is the VSL funnel. Now, before we dive into how to create your VSL, let me quickly show you where it fits in the bigger picture, because understanding the full funnel is critical to making the VSL work. Now, here is the high-ticket SaaS funnel. We sell 3K to 10K US dollars worth of products with this funnel. Now, as you can see, ads goes to a VSL landing page. It educates and pre-sells the solution. And then there's an application booking page. It qualifies the leads. And then there's a pre-call sequence. It builds anticipation and reinforces the value of your product. And this is the sales call. It closes the deal. The VSL sits at the center of this system. It does three things. First, it educates your prospects on the problem they have and why traditional solutions fail. Second, it positions your SaaS as the only logical solution. And third, it pre-qualifies buyers. So only serious, high-intent prospects book calls with your team. And the results are your sales team stops wasting time on unqualified leads, your close rates go up, your sales cycle shortens, and your acquisition becomes profitable from day one. Now, the economics here are pretty simple. If you are spending $500 to acquire a customer for a $99 worth of monthly subscription, it takes you at least 5 months just to break even on ad spend. And as you can see, that's not growth, that's a cash bleed. You wait at least 5 months just to get your ad spend back. And I'm not talking about your other costs like product costs, your headcounts, not other costs. It's just for the ad spend. You wait 5 months. It's ridiculous. But with high ticket front end offers, packaged at 3K to 10K, you recover your ad spend immediately. The VSL is what makes this possible actually. It sells the high ticket offer, not the monthly subscription. Now that you understand where the VSL fits, let's break down how to actually create one. Every high converting VSL follows the same structure. Hook to grab attention and validate the click. Problem agitation, deepen the pain and expose the root cause. Solution introduction, position your offer as the answer. Proof and credibility, show it works, right? And offer breakdown, explain exactly what they get. And of course, call to action, tell them what to do next. Now, this is the exact structure we use for every SaaS VSL we build. And it works because it mirrors how B2B buyers actually make decisions. This is for B2B buyers. Let me walk you through exactly each section with real examples. Now, the hook has one job, and it's validating the click. Your prospects just clicked your ad. They saw a bold claim or promise in the ad. Now, in the first 10 to 15 seconds of your VSL, you need to confirm that yes, they're in the right place. If you're a target audience, here's how big promise in time frame. If you're a B2B SaaS founder, here's how we can increase your exit multiply by 1 to 3 points within 8 weeks. Or for example for a SaaS tool. If you're a sales leader tired of your reps missing quota, here's how we can triple your pipeline in 60 days without hiring more SDRs. Now I want you to notice what's happening in the hook section. Target audience is called out immediately if you're a B2B SaaS founder. Big promise is stated upfront, increasing exit multiply by 1 to 3 points. And time frame makes it tangible and urgent. And after the hook, you can spend 30 to 45 seconds or 50 seconds building credibility. This is where you introduce yourself, your company, and why they should listen to you. My name is Ibrahim Ates, co-founder of Advergent. We are a B2B SaaS-centric growth firm managing $50,000 per month in ad spend across our client portfolio. We have helped SaaS companies go from burning cash to 75K MRR in 45 days. Now, in this section, you are not bragging, you are establishing authority because B2B buyers need to know you have done this before. They need proof. The next part is problem agitation part. Your job here is to expose the broken system your prospect is operating under, not just surface level pain that everyone knows. You need to go deeper. You need to expose the root cause, okay? Now, for our case, this usually means breaking down their current acquisition model and showing why it's fundamentally broken. If you want to take a look at here, you can see the structure. First, it describes the current model, adds to a bouquet demo page, right? And then it shows the broken economics, LTV to CAC ratio, like 101, 201, payback period 12 to 18 months, or churn rate 15 to 20%, huge churn rate. And then it exposes the downstream effects, like the other downsides, like sales team with unqualified prospects, spend 8% of their time educating people, long sales cycles, cost of sale, crashes your cash flow. Now here we are not trying to make them feel bad. We are trying to make them realize that what they are doing is not just suboptimal, it's fundamentally broken. And you need to make sure that you are not blaming them. You are blaming the system. They are right, the system is wrong. They are the victim. Now you have torn down the old model, it's time to introduce the new one, right? It's your model. This is where you position your offer. Not just your SaaS product, but the high-ticket offer that solves their immediate problem. Now again, you can check this and take inspiration, but you're essentially introducing the shift here. You are introducing the outcomes that your product offers. Not just the features, but the outcomes they can achieve with using your product. And then there is proof and credibility. At this point, your prospect is thinking, oh, this sounds great, but does it actually work? So you need proof, right? You need proof. But not just vague testimonials. You need real numbers. Like, for example, you can check this example. You can see all these numbers, and these numbers are not just numbers. These numbers create a tangible comparison in your prospect's head when they watch your or VSL. These are natural results of fixing broken unit economics. So natural results of your product. Now, after that part, we have offer breakdown. Now you break down exactly what they are getting. This is where you explain your deliverables in detail. Now, in our case, it could be something like this. You can check this out. You can take inspiration, of course. The key here in this part is to frame deliverables as outcomes. Okay, not tasks. Don't just say, we write emails. You need to say, we slashed churn from 15% to 3% with the emails we wrote. So you are not selling the emails, you are selling the outcome. And it's the same for your product as well. You are not selling your product, you are selling your outcome. You are solving the problem your prospect has. Now, for the last part, for the CTA part, you need to end your VSL with a clear and direct CTA. If you're a B2B SaaS founder doing 15 to 100K per month, blah blah blah, click the button below, fill out the form, and let's see if we can help your SaaS, blah blah blah. I will see you on the call. I want to get your attention that it's so simple, so clear, and so low friction. Just fill out the form and we will take care of the rest, right? And that's how you create a VSL for your B2B SaaS. When you build a VSL the right way, you transform your Now, if you want the full VSL template that you can use to create a great VSL for your SaaS today, you can click the first link in the description and download the template I made for you. And if you want to see how you would build this entire system for your SaaS, click the second link in the description. We will walk you through it step by step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.